fire before the smoke. Truth felt heavy, so we broke.
You said forever like a lie you knew. I memorized the sound of you. Your touch was warm, your words were thin. You held my hand, let doubt creep in. We smiled for pictures, cried alone. Built the future out of bows. Every promise felt rehearsed. I loved you best, you loved me first and hard.
I saw the truth behind your eyes.
Love doesn't hide, it doesn't lie. This was real, this was us. True love bleeding in the dust. We fought for more, we lost because too many lies, not enough trust. I died for you, you knew my pain. You chose comfort, I chose flame. Say it's love, but say it just. We broke something we couldn't touch. You kissed me while you planned your escape. I felt it coming, felt the shake. Your silence louder than your screams. You loved the idea, not the means. I gave you scars you never earned. You gave me truths I had to learn. Now every us feels counterfeit. I miss the lie you made me live.
If love is honest, why did it hurt like this? If this was real,
Why do I miss the lies? This was real, this was us. True love buried in the dust. We tried to heal, we lost because too many lies, not enough trust. I still choose you, that's the curse. Love like this only gets worse. Say it's love, say what you must. We broke something called us. I still love you.
that's a lie I can't quit.